If you have an imbalance of black and white in your composition, we can easily fix that using the inversion tools in Photoshop. The first thing I need to do is select my Polygono Lasso tool, and I'm going to select around one of the leaves. Control plus to zoom in, unlocking that layer, and then clicking and holding to make the selection. I can then press Control I on my keyboard, or I can go up to Image, Adjustments, and then Invert. You can see that the white isn't a pure white because the black wasn't a pure black originally. So if I go Control D and then Control L to get my levels, I can select this white eyedropper tool and I can tell Photoshop that that is meant to be white. It's going to increase the brightness of all of the whites on the page. Similarly, I can go back into levels and I can make that background a pure black. We can toggle between this view and the original, and we can see that that white balance is now corrected.